To test relevancy trusted video, I add the unique tag, and to unrelated when performing video, I use unrelated videos. So the tag is the factor that connects the two videos. The video does not show up in the screen and recommended for viewers. It also does not up as recommended video in the up next section of the OS page. Even if tags would not work, other videos are just more related and the power of tags is very weak. To be honest, yeah, I was surprised by the result of all of these tests YouTube did on us after all, but I had a little bit of hope for unique tag on a good performing video, so everybody shooting in YouTube videos as vlogs that tags are so important, never even bother to test it for themselves. How do YouTube tags work in design? To express on compression, there are thousands, if not millions, of characters who think that tags are still important. Use that to your advantage. Use that to your advantage. You can see what tags they are using in their video. If you make a video on the same topic, it can help to out with ideas for topic in the video or keywords to use in title, thumbnail, description, and subtitle. Who can see YouTube tags? Everyone with a tool that has access to YouTube. Every application program interface can read YouTube tags with HTML, analyze and click view source code in his internet browser. Help the algorithm understand, give the algorithm a hint and context about the video content. Use this for typical algorithm odds that the algorithm put or for example, I made videos about this software. The name of software is on not listed about the separate or spelled with K listed and see what YouTube understand you can find in the auto-generated subtitles. In this case, the subtitle continuously show two words with a C. Correcting the subtitle and add hashtags help the algorithm understand video content. Frequently asked question regarding text. What YouTube tags to use? I want rather to search YouTube tags for reasons I mentioned in this article, but if you want to add them, brands, names, or that can misunderstood, or if you are new channel, maybe some keywords you are tagging with your videos onto YouTube tag get more views. YouTube tags that get more views in 2014. Don't use tag, get more views, make quality content. YouTube algorithm will figure it out if you have good title, description, and thumbnail. How many YouTube tags should I use? In most videos, it is not 2015 anymore for a reason I explained in this article. How many YouTube tags can you have? This is no limit to the amount of YouTube tags you can use. However, there is a total limit of 500 characters for all tags combined. So technically, you can use maximum 500 tags on a character long, although unless. But again, why brother with tags? Why both are with tags in 2000? YouTube tags public and visual. Yes, you can see tag in the HTML code of YouTube's space. If you are less savvy, you can use a browser plugin like TubeBuddy or keywords everywhere. Those two need the traffic tags don't other white tags in